What if you can see exactly when your kick frequencies are actually balanced? Not just guessing with your ears, but actually seeing it happen in real time. Let me show you a method I invented that turns kick balancing from guesswork into science. Most producers rely entirely on their ears when designing and processing kicks. But here's the problem. Our ears constantly deceive us. What sounds balanced in one environment sounds completely off in another. The Pro-MB method gives you visual confirmation of what you're hearing. It's like having a scientific meter that shows you exactly when each frequency zone is at the perfect level. Pro-MB by FabFilter is typically used as a multi-band compressor for mixing and mastering. But here's the unconventional approach. We're going to use it purely as a measurement tool. So place Pro-MB on your master channel at the very beginning of your project. Not to compress anything, we're just using it to watch the meters. Think of it as a frequency meter for your kick. So let me break down the exact frequency ranges for each band. Band 1 covers 0 to 150 Hz, your sub-frequencies. Band 2 spans 150 to 550 Hz, the crucial low mids where your punch lives. Band 3 handles 550 to 1800 Hz, the mid frequencies. Band 4 covers 1800 to 7200 Hz, your upper mids. And Band 5 captures everything above 7200 Hz, the high frequency content. Each of these bands corresponds to specific characteristics of your kick. When you see activity in each band's meter, you're literally watching the different components of your kick in real time. Now here's how the method works. As you shape your kick, whether through synthesis or processing, you watch Pro-MB's meters in real time. Each band has a threshold, and you want your kick to punch through the threshold constantly by plus 6 dB. Think of it like a game where you're trying to fill 5 glasses to the brim without overflowing. Each frequency band needs to fill the meter up to the precise plus 6 dB mark, strong enough to be fully present, but controlled enough to maintain balance with the other bands. When a band's meter shows plus 6 dB over the threshold, you know that frequency range is at the optimal level. Too low, and that range is weak. Too high, and it's dominating your mix. But now here's something crucial. Not every kick type needs to hit that plus 6 dB mark in every band. Different kick styles require different frequency balances. Some kicks might need more emphasis in certain bands, while others might barely register in specific frequency ranges. The plus 6 dB reference is a starting point, but the exact values change depending on what you're creating. That's why I've put together a series of videos that break down the specific meter readings for different kick types. Each style has its own optimal balance, and I'll show you exactly what to aim for in each case. This visual approach solves a fundamental problem. Our ears adapt to what we're hearing. Listen to a bright kick for 5 minutes, and it starts sounding normal, but the meters don't lie. So Pro-MB shows you the objective truth about your frequency balance. It creates its own curve of perfect frequency balance across the spectrum. When you hit that plus 6 dB mark in each band, you're essentially drawing a curve that represents the ideal frequency distribution for a kick drum. By achieving balance across all 5 bands, you're creating a kick that translates well on any system. From phone speakers to club systems, a well-balanced kick maintains its character. But here's the thing, even with perfect measurement tools, there are 3 fundamental mistakes that will make your kick sound weak. And if you want to know what these mistakes are, then hit subscribe. Because in the next video, I'm revealing the 3 reasons why your kicks don't hit and how to fix them.